I lost 180 pounds, and during maintenance, some of the weight came back. This series documents losing 20 pounds realistically without panic, punishment, or starting over.
Good morning. I guess that's, I don't know a lot about water. I live in the middle of Missouri, the middle of the country. I guess this means the tide is out because this is all mud. And then it looks like water's up there. I don't know if we're going to quite get, well, we can walk up to there. But is that what that is? The tide is low? Is that what that would say? I don't know. We'll just walk up and, I ain't walking up that far. Listen, I'm hungry. Here's our ice machine. I'm hungry. Your girl woke up and I slept in. It's 7-something. I slept in. Oh, look, there's some bright light flickering over there. I wonder if that's like I wonder if that's a lighthouse or something. Oh my gosh, look at these big birds. It's so pretty, you guys. They didn't have any kind of eggs, no boiled eggs. It's eggs and bacon that are baked onto a, one of those stinking things, a bagel. So I'm like, yeah, no. So I'll have stuff in the room, on my burgers and bacon. I can nibble on that. But, so this is what I have: sausage, potato, little bite potatoes, and an apple. And that's what I'm going to eat for my breakfast down here. Actually, I might save the apple till later today. So this is what it is. I think I'm going to try to scrape it off. I'll scrape off the topping. So but doesn't that look, it's fancy. Look at that. Bagel with stuff on top. They had a great pooping bathroom down by the eating area. I love whenever they have that. Then I can poop away from the family. No pressure. I like to have beef with my pork during the day. It kind of extends it a little bit. Okay, bye. This is our hotel today. We've got a nice little, this is the door. My sister and mom are in there getting ready. We were all laying down. So there's a closet, and then behind there is the bathroom. And then you come in, and here's our room, our beds. That's my spot. And then we have this little balcony. Let's take a look. Looking out over the pool. Guys, there's so many puppy dogs. I wanted to pet that dog, but I didn't. They were in a hurry. But this is our view. Isn't that pretty? Yeah. And the front of the hotel is, I sure don't see him. I think it was right down there is where we went in. I don't know. Don't ask me questions. I'm backwards. Well, we ate over there. So yeah, so that right there is the hub of the hotel. So we went in there and ate, that's where breakfast to us. So, but they have a nice swimming pool. And look, I found the palm trees. I'm in Florida for real. Okay, it's a rainy day, so I don't know what we're going to do. Okay, bye. I'm sitting out here on the balcony finishing my burger. So I've had about that much of one burger, so I'm not just having one right now. I'm going to say it's killing me. I am 3 days behind in my comment section. I don't like to even get 24 hours behind, so I appreciate you all being kind enough to be patient with me. I'm really spending the time with the family and stuff, but my comments have gone to pot. So I'm going to have fun catching up when I get home. All right. I love you all, though, and I appreciate each and every one of you. And I don't feel like I've done too bad. You know what I mean? Sure, I've had some things here and there, and dadgummit, they're talking about buying a key lime pie to put in the refrigerator. I'm definitely not looking forward to that. I mean, I had a piece at my cousin's house day before yesterday, and it was delicious. It was amazing. It was from Publix, and it was just very mild and creamy. But having a whole pie in our room, ugh, boy, that's gonna be, yeah. There's the beach. So it's rainy today, and we're not going out to the beach. It's misty, but you can see the water out there. I'm up there. Oh, gotta roll the window up. It's hard to see, but
out of my way. I can't show you.
Ooh, y'all, it's a storming out here. Not really. It's very light rain, but a lot of wind. Look at these things. Look at these palm trees. They're a-blowing. Wonder what the little things that hang down, what those come from. Oh, somebody slammed their door. But it's definitely windy down here. We had a difficult time walking into the hotel. So, but it's beautiful, but lots of wind. So we're going to be doing inside stuff. So not a lot of adventures for a while. But I love y'all. Bye. Hey, be nice to yourself. Okay? If I haven't said it recently, whoop, there goes something blowing. If I haven't said it, be patient with yourself. Weight loss is not fast, okay? It took me 3.5 years to lose my 180 pounds. So just know it ain't coming off fast. You're going to have life. Life happens. So just be nice to yourself and know that sometimes you're going to make boneheaded decisions. But you know what? That's all right. We're humans. God, well, I didn't say God made us to be boneheaded, but we're boneheaded and God knew we would be this way. So I love you all. Happy Sunday. I can't watch Jesus, but we got some Judy. I don't know how much of this I'm going to eat, but I got some chips and apple and some bacon. These are my chips. These are the Quest chips, but I am going to eat apple. It's nicer weather now. It's cloudy, but it's still windy. But we're going to go and ride around and maybe get something to eat. Going out to the beach. I don't know. We're on Honeymoon Island. There's the ocean. I don't know which ocean it is, but it's the ocean. I think that's a person out there. Let's zoom in and see. Yeah, I think that's a human out there. I don't know if we're walking out to the sand or not. We'll see what's going on. I'm just following them gals. But I kind of wander on my own too. Oh, that's kind of sturdy sand. This isn't like real sloshy, slick sand. Ooh, it's windy, windy, windy. Isn't that pretty, you guys? I know it's probably windy and messing up my voice, but isn't that prettyful? Surfing USA, everybody go surfing. I wonder if that's a paddleboard or what that is.
Some people are shelling.
Look, y'all, I'm out here on the sand. I found a couple shells. I don't know if you can keep them or not. I might see if we can. I assume we can. Look, seashell. She sells seashells down by the seashore. This one's kind of neat. See those little bumpies on it? That's kind of cool. Look at them. Oh my goodness, standing up is rough. Oh, that's a rock, Terry. Oh, I'd like to find a whole red one or something. Oh, that's a whole one. Looky there, guys. That's prettyful. One more. Oh, look, there's a feather. I wonder if it's illegal to take a feather. Ooh, what's that one? No, that's not. That's a broken one. I want a whole one, not a broken one. Look at all of them. Aren't they prettyful? Ooh, that's a whole one. Look at that one, Tear. I'm driving one of my sisters up a wall. I talk to you guys so much that when it's just me, I talk to myself. And so she's like, who are you talking to? Not in that voice, but you know me, I exaggerate. I'm like, I'm talking to me. What are you saying? That is so weird. I'm like, well, yeah, look at this one. A big one. I'm like, I'm talking to myself. And she's like, well, that is so weird. And I'm like, well, people at work are used to it. And she's like, listen, if you ever get another job, don't do it. They're going to think something's wrong with you. And I'm like, that's all right. So anyway, all right, I'm going to spend time with the family. Bye. We are at a place called Frenchy's. I just have to find a restaurant. There it is. It's a nice little bar. So I'm gonna go to the restroom. I'll show you what I get. Gonna be the one that saves me. Saves me. It's a great little place. We are in here.
Yeah. I would think that it would be similar to the
That's what I'm doing. This is my fancy
instead
meal
of
out.
tartar sauce.
There's my surf and turf filet mignon. I went ahead and got the battered shrimp because I just wanted it. She's got a burger or something, and she's got a... What'd you get, Judy? A grouper?
Grouper,
And what'd you get, Susan? A what?
Grouper.
A grouper sandwich. So that's what we're having here at this place called Frenchy's Fish Place. Fair warning for later. The girl's got a strawberry daiquiri. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Last food of the night. This is half of a key or a quarter of a key lime pie. So from Publix key lime pie. I love y'all, and we head home in the morning. Bye. Hey, so right here is where we had our supper tonight, that Frenchy. So that was really yum. And this is where we were standing outside of our hotel. My sister got a selfie. This is where we ate last night. I don't remember if I put a picture in there. I'm just throwing pictures in there. That's me dancing. Evidently, Mom got me dancing. And there we are on the beach. And this is a boat that has sponges that were drying out on it. And right here is some of the beach today. So thanks for watching. Love you guys.